Hey guys, it's Rhonda here. Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today we are going to be talking about our RV lock. We've had it for, let me think, we got it in 2021, I believe, 4 years. Yeah, 4 years. I can math. So I am going to change the batteries on it. We haven't done this a whole lot, so it hasn't like gone through batteries like crazy, but we've kind of ignored it lately. We've been using the key, but I would really like to have the keypad and the remote work again. So I'm going to change out the batteries and get it working again and talk a little bit about it. So here we go. Oh, and if you're not familiar, I have done a video before, probably a couple times, about changing the keypad cover on the outside. It does get sun bleached and it gets dry and cracked just like anything out in the hot Texas summer sun. So yeah, we have to change that out every year, every other year, depending on how much sun it actually gets. So I will put a clip of that here. And now we're going to get to changing the batteries. I brought 2 screwdrivers with me just to see which one might work better. So we'll check that. And by the way, it does take 4 AA's for this. So Jim said I needed the smaller one, so let's see what we got here. Yeah, it works. And note, I do have it locked currently, so no members of my family come out here and want to bother me, and, you know, I fall out the door because they just suddenly open it. That would be bad. So, it's not going to come off yet. Oh, never mind, it does. So, the little screws apparently stay in there pretty good, so there's that. They're both in there. It fell and they stayed together. It's pretty cool. So, I'm going to pull these batteries out and replace them. There we go. And these ones were generic ones, Homeline, and some Rayovacs. Probably just whatever we had on hand while we were on a trip. But I do have Duracells. It does recommend like Evereadys or Duracells or something that's a little more powerful. That way it stays good for longer. Ooh, it beeped. We're in business. It works again. And it was just that easy to change those batteries. So there you have it. If you're on the fence about one of these, we really like this. It does beep when you press the keypad on the outside to unlock or lock the door. But there's a way to shut that off so that, you know, if you're coming back to your trailer and it's late, it is quite loud when there's nothing else going on. So you can silence it so it lights up, but it doesn't make noise, which I really like that. And I'll put down here what exactly you have to do to it, because honestly, I don't remember. Jim always does that. So, but yeah, here is this. I will link our RV lock install that I did down below in the description, and I'll probably put it as an end card if I'm able to. So just in case you want to watch that and know about the install of this, it was relatively simple to put it in and everything, and we really like it. And I like the ease of use, just being able to type it in and not have to carry a key everywhere, or having that key fob with me. I can unlock it, you know, from a distance. I don't have to go up to the door. It's kind of nice. So anyway, that's all we have for you today. We hope you enjoyed this video. Do you have an RV lock? Do you have this particular one? Or do you have the one that's a little bit, I don't know if it's a higher tier. It's a little bit bigger though. But do you have an RV lock, or are you looking to get an RV lock? Let us know. Let us know how you like it if you do have one too. All right, for Jim and myself, we thank you very, very much for watching, and we will see you out there. Bye.